Hi friends, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make delicious air fryer heart and spicy fish fillet recipe. I hope you will like it. Ingredients are fish fillet and heart and spicy seasoning powder. Pat dry fish fillet with kitchen towel. Marinate fish fillet with seasoning powder for 30 minutes. Mix with cooking oil. Place marinated fish fillet into baking pan. Look at the golden brown fillets. It's easy and delicious. Give it a try. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel, do check them all. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.